how to connect Cash App to Empower. So this is very easy. All we need to do is click on our profile icon in the top right. Now here we'll scroll down until we see the linked banks section. So just click on linked banks. Then select the option to link a debit card. Now here we'll click on no card, and instead it is going to load up a list of all the different bank accounts and bank institutions that we can use. So just click on continue, and after we have clicked on continue, it will load up the different institutions. Here all we have to do is use the search bar and search for Empower, and you will be able to see this empower.me or Empower Federal Credit Union, depending on which one you want to use. I will show you as this one as an example. So by providing your Empower credentials to Plaid, you're enabling Plaid to retrieve your financial data. So if you type out your phone number and your passcode here, this is going to connect Cash App and Empower, and it will gather your information, financial information. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.